Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tony Haikal Saputra from Jember University. Six-year Borobudur International Symposium on Humanities and Social Science 2024. Creating a Sustainable Future, Green Tech and Digital Society. Conference Borobudur International Symposium 2024 Effect of SSR on the Performance and Emission of Spark Ignition Engine Fuel Ethanol. Author Tony Haikal Saputra, Nasrul Ilmi Nafik, M. Fahrur Rozi Hendihu, Mechanical Engineering Faculty of Engineering University Jember, Indonesia. Street Kalimantan, number 37, Bumi Tegal Koto, Jember, Java, 68121, Indonesia. Abstract. Ethanol fuels has been widely used fuel in several countries, such as the United States, Brazil, and Sweden. The ethanol used within the motor the requires alteration of the air supply. The apparent air supply is required to gain and optimum performance of engine. The objective of this study to determine the effect of excess air in the performance and exhaust emission of spark ignition engine fuel ethanol. The research was conducted on a spark ignition engine 100 centimeter cubic four-stroke fuel mixture of 60% ethanol and 40% pertamax E60. With variation of engine speed and excess air, the SI engine was connected to a Prony brake and gas analyzer to measure its performance and emission. The use of ethanol E16 increased torque and power until the excess air reaches 22 liter per minute, but more excess air could decreasing power due to detonation. The losses, fuel consumption, and carbon oxide emission occur at 1,200 rpm and excess air of 22 liter per minute. Optimal excess air setting and ethanol fuel E60 can improve engine performance and reduce emission. This is finding are important for engine design with high fuel efficiency, reduction of carbon oxide and hydrocarbon emission and application of alternative fuel in the automotive and energy industries. Background: due to the limited availability of a fossil fuel as an energy source, biofuel are considered a renewable alternative to petroleum-based fuel in the transportation sector. Beyond 2023, the use of ethanol and fossil fuel blend in spark ignition SI engine has been expected worldwide due to its favorable properties in reducing exhaust emission. P. 2021. Experimental study on SI engine with ethanol and gasoline blend fuel profit high volumetric efficiency resulting in greater power. Propertam 2023, the increasing demand for high power has prompted the development of combustion air intake system, which will support the assessment of air and fuel mixing with the direct air ratio. Nurjinda 2022, Goyal 2024 conducted a study using an alternative method to make an intake air flow excess. The method to achieve a high air ratio with significantly compromising the flow coefficient in flows modifying the intake port feature. Research purpose based on the existing problem as a response to global challenge relates to energy efficiency and emission reduction. This research has the following objective. One, to determine the effect of excess water addition on the performance of a four-stroke engine with E60 fuel. Two, knowing the effect of adding excess water on four-stroke engine emission with E16 fuel. Method vehicle specification. One, the research was conducted using the experimental method. Two, the research was conducted on a four-stroke combustion motor engine. Three, the fuel use was E60. Four, the independent variable consistent of RPM and excess air. Five, the SI engine was connected to a Prony-Black and gas analyzer to measure its performance and emission. Six, the specification of the test engine can be seen in Table 1. Table 1, test machine specification, variable. Table 2, free variable, bound variable. Table 3, composition of E60 fuel. Engine scheme. 1, the fuel is regulated through the burette component. 2, the tachometer is activated first before the engine start. 3, engine speed is adjusted to the desired test parameter. 4, excess air is configured to meet the ideal combustion air requirement. 5, Brownie brake is connected to measure the force V generated by the SI engine. 6, a gas analyzer is attached to the exhaust hole. Result and discussion. The result of the power test in this study are in accordance with research di Sugiarto 2000 69, which tests that higher engine speed can increase power due to a faster, more efficient combustion process and higher calorific value of gasoline. Torque test. The result of the torque test in this study are in accordance with the research. See duration 2023, which stated that the addition of ethanol increase torque, but there is an optimal point at its RPM, and torque increase with the addition of excess air. Fuel consumption test. The result of the fuel consumption test in this study are in accordance with research. We wrote 2023, which states that the higher the ethanol mixture will reduce the value of fuel consumption. This is line with the decrease in engine speed RPM. The increase in excess air affect the decrease in fuel consumption value. Volumetric efficiency test. The result of the volumetric efficiency test in this study are in accordance with research Suwono 2019, which states that the higher the engine speed, the volumetric efficiency will decrease. Excess air has an effect on increasing volumetric efficiency. The following The following is a graph of the emission that's result. The following are the result of the emission dash ethanol addition can reduce carbon monoxide emission. He Susanto 2021 and hydrocarbon and increase combustion efficiency a per bottom 2024. In addition, increase in octane and RPM affect the increase in carbon dioxide, but excessive excess air actually reduce level. Prasetyo 2022. Ethanol addition als increase oxygen level as RPM increase will excess air affect combustion efficiency. Muhaji 2023, lambda value then to increase with increasing excess air and change in RPM. Muhaji 2023. Conclusion. 1. The excess air engine speed and E60 fuel mixture setting affected the performance, fuel efficiency, and emission of the internal combustion engine with the Higgs power record and 1600 RPM with excess air 22 liter per minute. The Higgs engine Turkey was recorded at 1,200 rpm with 22 liter per minute excess air, but the crash at 24 liter per minute excess air and optimal fuel efficiency was achieved at 1,200 rpm with 22 liter per minute excess air. Three, the losses, carbon oxide and hydrocarbon emission were recorded at 1,600 rpm with excess air 20 liter per minute and 1,600 rpm with excess air 10 liter per minute, but in crash under excess air condition, well, the Higgs volumetric efficiency was recorded at 1,200 rpm with excess air 24 liter per minute. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Thank you for being such a wonderful audience. It's been a pleasure sharing and brainstorm with you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.